Wait for favor, I will tell him to come and perform. Odogu. Aha, thank you. Ogene, what is it? Eh? You are just giving me attitude. Since morning. Ogene, what do you want me to say? Eh? I mean, I just don't understand you. Before we got married, every day you are sweet talking me. Every day. Since we got married, you don't even. You will leave in the morning. I won't see you till 2 a.m. Eh? And you're expecting me to be happy. Stop quiet. Is that your problem? Eh, sweetie? Is that your only problem? Baby, if that is your problem, you have no problem. Eh? Because it's just forgot that the love I have for you. Now, mama, like a bee. Stinging. Eh? If you try, even if you think about it of divorcing me, you have committed murder. Degree 1. Eh? Baby, let go do one. Made in Tunisia. Olympic baby who medal, gold. Baby, I need a lamb now. This eye you are looking at me is making me want to do something risky. Baby, mom Shaba. Mom me again. Call it again. Shaba. Ha! I'm a lamb. Baby, kiss him.